Tired of seeing the same gray placeholder for every Odoo user? Change any profile photo in under 1 minute. We'll open Settings, go to Users and Companies, pick a user, upload a photo, and save. Then refresh to see the new avatar. Start by navigating to your Odoo homepage, the main dashboard you see after logging in. Then, click on the Settings menu item to open the configuration area. At the top bar, click on Users and Companies to show the user management options. Now, click on Users from that menu to get to the list of accounts. In the Users list, click on the person you want to update to open their profile. On their profile, click the pencil icon on the photo and choose the new image from your files. Then, hit the Save button at the top left to apply the change. Finally, refresh the page to see the updated photo take effect, and you're done. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.